Welcome back, friends. This is Current Affairs Funda, Free Education Revolution. So today we will discuss the syllogism part here. So in which we will discuss either or condition basis. Fine. We have already discussed the basic fundamental of syllogs. Right now we will discuss either or. What are the certain conditions to make either or? Okay. So this question will definitely come in your PO and clerk exams. Okay. That's why I'm doing all these stuffs for you. So please like the video, okay, and do share with your all the friends. Kindly explore us. Basically we are delivering free education to all of you, and spread the word among your friends and share for those people who cannot afford the coaching classes. And learning is priceless, so please do at least. And friends, join our Facebook group here. This is our Facebook channel, and this is our Facebook group. Okay, so you need to join both the pages. Why? Because you can post your all the doubts here only. Okay, now let's go. This is chapter 3 here. And friends, this video will be in the English only. Why? Because I have already uploaded the Hindi version of this video. Okay, so if you want to watch this video in Hindi, then you can watch Hindi, and you can watch in English, then you are watching is English right now. Now friends, we will discuss few either or things here. Okay, so what are the certain condition for either or? Okay, so you know very well what is the meaning of subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. I am just showing you. Suppose a statement is written in this form: some A or B. Okay, so here A, this is the subject, and B, this is the predicate here. Fine. So in the either or condition, subject and predicate should be the same in your conclusion section. Okay, suppose two conclusions are given here. First one is this one: some A or B. Second is given in this format: some A or not B. Fine. So this one is your subjects, so this one will also be your subjects, and this one will be also your subject. Okay, so subject and predicate will be same. And friends, second condition, it will be both the conclusions should be unfollow. Okay, if any one of them follow and second is unfollow, then you cannot use the either or. Either or will work only in such cases where all the conclusions are unfollow, that means they are false. Fine. Third thing is there, I will show you some basic rules here. Okay, so either or, the other name of either or is just like complementary pair relation. Fine. So we will write here complementary pair relation. And you know what is the meaning of parallel lines? I will also show you. And third thing is crosshair. Fine. So these are the table which you need to draw on your notebook. Fine. So first relation, in between, in the respect of either or, it will be in between all those statements which starts, those conclusions which starts from all and some not. Okay, either all will work with all and some not. Second, it will work with some and some not. And third, either or works with some and no. These are the only three conditions where you can use either or conditions. Fine. So friends, what is the meaning of parallel and cross lines? Okay, so just let me see you two things here. Suppose your statement in this format: some A or B, and second thing is this: some A or not B. Here we have written other thing is some A or B, and some B or not A. Fine. These are the two conclusions here, and these are the other two conclusions here. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what is the meaning of parallel and cross lines here. Okay, so friends, this is your subject and this is your predicate. This is your subject and this is your predicate. These are in parallel lines. Okay, just below this subject. Fine, so this is called the parallel. And what is the meaning of cross? A is here and other one A is here and B is here and next B is here. Okay, so this is your subject and this is your predicate. Fine, so they makes a cross relation here. Okay, so this is called the cross. I hope you understand this parallel and cross mechanism. So how to use in this statements? Okay, so friends, if you are going to judge whether the either or will follow or not follow, so first of all you need to check if all with some not conclusions are given, then you need to check they are parallel or they are cross. If they are parallel, then either dot dot or will work, and in cross relations either or will not work. Fine, if the statement, if the conclusion starts with all and some not, this is the only case here. Okay, and in the rest cases, whether the conclusion is in parallel or is in cross, all the either or relation will follow, and here will also either or follow, and here will be either or follow whether the conclusion is in parallel or conclusion is in cross. Okay, so most of the students are really confused with such kind of conditions. Okay, that's why I have made this easy table for you. Fine, so what you need to do, if the statement is, if the conclusion starts with all and second start with some not, if they make such cross relations, okay, so then either or will not follow in cross relation, but in parallel it will follow, and rest these two things, some and some not and some and no, these two conclusions, these two kind of conclusions will follow whether the conclusion is in parallel or in cross. Fine, now friends, let's move for the question and answer session. Okay, so your statements are given here in this format. So let me write here, some cat are rat. Fine. Second is no rat is dog. No rat is dog here. Third statement is some dog or animal. Some dog or animal. These are the three statements, and conclusion is basically here. Some cats are dog. Some cats are dog. Second conclusion is given here. No cat is dog. No cat is dog. Fine. So friends, you just need to check what will be the result here. First of all, we need to make a diagram here. In the Venn diagram, some cat are rat. That means this reason is for cat and some cat is rat. Fine. Second is no rat is dog. That means this is rat here and there is no relation in between rat and dog. Fine. That's why we have make a cross symbol here. And next is some dog are animal. Some dog are animal. Fine. So now let's, our Venn diagram is ready. Now we need to compare these two conclusions here. Fine, this is your first conclusion, this is your second conclusion. First conclusion is saying some cats are dog. Fine, cat is this person and dog is this person. What we are not confirm from these statements whether the some cats are dog or not. They may be or they may not be. If the conclusion is doubtful, then it will unfollow. Fine. Second thing is there, no cat is dog. Fine, no cat is dog. Cat is here and dog is here. Maybe some cats may be dog or may not be god, may not be dog. So this is also a doubtful condition, so we will make a cross here, that means it will unfollow. Fine. Right now friends, now we need to check whether these two statements, these two conclusions will make either or condition or not. So we need to check their subjects here. Cat is there and cat also there, dog is there and dog is also there. Okay, and these two conclusions are unfollow, that means we can use here either or. So we need to make one thing here only, that is some here and this one is no here. Okay, so now let's check here. Some plus no will make either or. Yes, this will works for either or in parallel as well as in cross. Okay, so we can say from here some plus no exist, subject and predicate, these are also common here, and these two conclusions are unfollow. So we can say either first or second follow. Fine, I think you understand this basic concept. One more example for you friends. Now see here, I just need to write few statements for you. No apple is mango. No apple is mango. Friends, these questions are from the previous year and we have covered all the basic concept in this video. Fine. So I don't think so far you feel any kind of difficulty whenever you solve such kind of either or problems. Fine. Just read the basic fundamental of that table only. Okay. If you know the basics of table, then you can interpret any questions. Fine. So your statement is given here. No apple is mango. Second is given here. All mango are watermelon. All mango are watermelon. Fine. Third statement is written here. Some watermelon or guava. These are the three statements here. And right now let's read the, let's write the conclusion here. Conclusion is this one. All mango are guava. Fine. Second is some mango are not guava. Some mango are not guava. Fine. So this is your conclusion here. And now friends, what you need to do? You need to make a Venn diagram here. So first one is no apple is mango. That means friends, this is our apple here and no apple is mango. Fine. Second thing is saying all mangoes are watermelon. That means friends, we need to draw outermost circle here and all mangoes are watermelon. That means this region is for watermelon. And some watermelon are guava. That means we will write here some watermelon are guava. Fine. Your Venn diagram is ready right now. And friends, we need to check our conclusions here. First conclusion is saying all mango are guava. Okay, so this reason is for the mango and these are the guava here. Is guava region touches the mango region? No. That means this will unfollow. Fine. Now let's check the next conclusion here. Some mango are not guava. Fine. See friends, some mango may be guava or may not be guava because this is a doubtful situation. There is a possibility that some guavas may be mango and there is a possibility some mangoes may be guava, but we are not sure from this statement. So this will also a doubtful conclusion, so it will unfollow. Fine. And now friends, we need to check here either or will work or not. So first one is here mango, that is the subject and this is the predicate here. Subject and predicate is given in the two conclusions. Fine. And now we need to check here all and some not. Can all and some not make either or relation? Yes or no? We just need to watch our table right now. All and some not will make a either or relation, will make a complementary pair in such cases only. if they are in parallel. If they are in cross, they will never make either or relation. Fine. So we need to check whether they are parallel or cross. Now let's see. Mango, just below the mango, that is another subject here. Then just below the guava, this is guava here. So we will see this is the parallel case here. Fine. So it will make either or relation here. Fine. Why? Because these are the two conclusions are given in the format of parallel. Okay, so all plus some not will make a either or relation, because mangoes, below the mango, that is mango here, and below the guava, that is guava, predicate here. Fine. So we will write here either first or second. Fine. Just see friends, one thing more here. Now let's, I need to rub something for you. Yeah. See friends, if these are the statement and this is your diagram, and suppose conclusions are in this format. Your first conclusion is given here. Some guava are not mango. Fine. Second conclusion is here. All mango are guava. One thing more friends. If all and some not, these two conclusions may be in jumbled format. Okay. Assume we have right here some plus no. That means first conclusion maybe starts with no or maybe starts with some. Okay. So this will be unidirectional lines. Fine. That means you can write a conclusion starts with all or either starts from some not. Okay. That's why we have written here something. First conclusion starts with some and second conclusion starts with all. First conclusion starts with some not. Some is here and not is here. That means that is negative here. And second starts with all. Okay. So all plus some not will make a complementary pair. So we just need to check the conclusions here. Some guava are not mango. Okay. So this is our guava here and this is our mango here. Fine. So from here friends, in the given figure we can't say some guavas are not mango. We only say some guavas are watermelon because the information is given here. But there is no information is given here like some guavas are not mango. This is just like a possibility. So such cases are the doubtful conclusion. That's why this will unfollow here. Fine. Because some guava are not mango, this is just like a possibility. It may be possible or it may not be possible. Fine. So this is just a case of doubtful conclusion. So we will mark unfollow here. Now let's check the second here. All mangoes are guava. Okay. So friends, all mangoes may be guava, may not be guava. Okay. It may be possibility that all mangoes may be guava. But from the given diagram, from the given Venn diagram, we can't judge whether some mangoes, whether all mangoes are guava or not. Okay. So that's why this conclusion also doubtful. So we will mark unfollow here. Fine. If two conclusions are unfollow, then we can use the either or case. Okay. Now check. Guava is here. This is our subject. And friends, guava is here. The predicate is here. And this one mango here and mango is here. Fine. So this is not an issue because the two subject and predicate, these are the common also in second conclusion. Okay. So that is okay for the either or condition. Now let's check second thing here. Some plus some not plus all make either or not. Yes, they make either or. But they make only such cases in parallel lines. Okay. If they are in cross, then either or will not work. Fine. Because these are in cross relation. Fine. So it will be, the answer will be neither first nor second. Fine. I hope this thing is clear to you very easily. Now friends, let's move for the another example. This question is really very important. and a combination of few more things. That's why read the question very carefully. Your statements are just like no A is K. Second statement is all K are W. All K are W. Third is some W are G. Some W are G. G for gun. And some G are U. Some G are U. These are your statements here. Fine. Now what are the conclusion here? Conclusions are given here. First one is all K are U. Second is some K are G. Third is given some U are G. Fourth one is given some G are not K. Some G are not K. Fine. So this is second number, third number and fourth number. So friends, first of all we need to make a Venn diagram here for these statements. Fine. So first one is no A is K. That means this is your A here and no A is K. Fine. Second thing is saying all K are W. So we will write here all K are W. And next statement is saying some W are G. So we will write here some W are G. And the final statement is saying some G are U. So we will write here some G are U. Fine. So our Venn diagram is ready. Now let's check the conclusion here. All K are U. This is the reason of K. All K are U. Friends, this is not true from the above diagram. Why? Because all K are U. This may be possible or may not be possible. But we are in doubtful situation. That's why this will unfollow. If the conclusion is doubtful, then you will mark as a unfollow. That means cross here. Now let's see the next here. Some K are G. Fine. This is the reason of K and this is the reason of G. Maybe it may be possible, but this is not sure. Fine. So some K R G this may be possible and some K R G this may not be possible. So we are in doubtful situation. So it will be cross here. It will be unfollow. Now friends, let's see the third option here. Some U R G. So friends, some G R U then some U R G. This will be possible. So we will write here. It will be follow from the given statement. Now let's see the number 4 here. Some G are not K. This is G here and this is K here. Some G may be K or may not be K, but we are not sure. We are in doubtful situation. We are not 100% confirm whether the conclusion is true or not. If we are in doubtful situation, then we will mark as a unfollow statement. Unfollow conclusion. Fine. So some G are not K because some G may be K. If we increase the circle of G, then some G may be K and hence here some G are not K. So we are not sure. We are in doubtful situation. So we will mark here as a wrong. Fine. So friends, we will not write directly some U or G. That means option 3 will follow and rest will never follow. Okay. B also, if the conclusions are more than 2, 3 or 4, then we need to check whether there is any chance for the either or condition or not. Okay, so we need to make here third will follow, that is sure here. But we need to check here 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 4 there are any case of either or not. All K are U, that means U and G, G and K, that means first will not be make any either or condition. Now let's check the second and fourth here. Some K are G and some G are not K, that means predicate and subject are the same. So friends, there is a possibility that it may either or condition. So we need to check here. This is starts with some and this is starts with some not. Okay. So some and some not make the either or condition and K and G and K. These are in cross relation. So only for the all and some not, the cross relation will not make either or condition, but for all the rest things the either or will work for cross as well. Fine. So some k are g and some g are not k. Fine. So this is the relation of some and some not. And friends, subject and predicate, these are also common in the second conclusion also. So and these both unfollow here. So we can say either second or fourth will follow. So the answer will be in this format: either second or fourth will follow and third will follow. Fine. So we will write here only once will follow. Either second or fourth and third will follow. This is the correct answer for such kind of questions here. Fine. I think this thing very clear to you. Now friends, it's my humble request to all of you, kindly like this video. If you have any suggestions regarding anything, then do comment here. And friends, please share this video among all the needed ones, those students which can't afford the coaching classes. So share this video to all of them. Fine. And friends, if you want to contribute for all educators as a voluntary professional fee, then you can give. And we have already made a InstaMojo payment gateway links below this video. You can just click over there and you can contribute. Fine. So thank you. Have a nice day. Do like this video, subscribe our channel. Thank you again, friends.